The best time of the day come into the morning session with dry condition before rain fell, just before the final 2 hour session of testing. Rain was once again the failings of the Moto5 Superbike World Championship field after it fell ahead of the final test session at the Phillip Island Grand Prix circuit. Nicolo Bulega, Aroba.it Racing Ducati topped the day's running thanks to his 1 minute 29.68 seconds set in the morning as he led a trio of Ducati riders with reigning champion Toprak Razgatlioglu, the Orchid BMW Motorrad World Superbike team climbing fourth in the drive. The track ride through the final 2 hour session, with times rapidly falling, although they were just shy of the morning effort for the majority of the field. By the end of the final 2 hour session, the track had almost dried out, with just a few patches of water remaining. Slick tires were fitted and time tumbled rapidly from the high 1 minute 40 seconds to almost matching the FP3 effort. Bulega made it from pole as he set a 1 minute 29.132 seconds at the end of FP4 to top the season. And then ahead of Razgatlioglu, Ducatelli completed the top three ahead of Yaunani, who was briefly hit one. While riding Petrucci, Vickers, Garner and Bautista all took turns leading the season. Garner had a crash at the end of the season, which brought out the red flags after he fell at turn 3.
Everything is too soft in life.
I'm sure.